Well, the annual Perseid meteor shower reaches its peak this week, and we could be in for a spectacular light show late tonight and tomorrow morning. Back with us this morning is Professor of Physics and Astronomy at York University, Paul Delaney. This happens every year, but this year is going to be really great. Tell us why.
Well, that's right. The Perseids are regular as clockwork around about August 12th because that's the time that the Earth passes through this sort of rubble stream, the debris trail left over from a comet by the name of Swift-Tuttle. So every year the Earth plows through material in space, and that means that we get showered by particles, pieces of debris, and they hit the Earth's atmosphere at up to 60 kilometers a second.
Wow.
And that gives us the fireworks display that we see as shooting stars. This year, it's really good for two reasons. One, there's no moon. It's new moon on Friday, so there's
dark.
Absolutely no lunar contamination in the night sky.
Contamination, okay.
That's what it is. It really is a bright object in the sky. But the other thing is, this part of the meteor stream is a little denser than other regions that we pass through. So what we call the number of meteorites per hour could be as high as 150 to 200 per hour, which is better than 2 or 3 per minute. So it could be a really good display tonight.
So, and there's a time frame too. I mean, it goes on, but what's optimal viewing?
Well, that's exactly right. In fact, we've been seeing the leading edge of the stream as far back as last Saturday. So anytime it's clear running up to August 12th or beyond August 12th, definitely go out and have a look at it. But the theoretical peak, and that's all it is, it's a theoretical peak, is 4 a.m. Thursday morning Eastern Daylight Time. But anytime it's clear tonight, preferably after midnight, go out and have a look at it.
Okay, so and tell us just about this that you brought in.
Okay, this is a piece of the universe. This is an iron meteorite that came to ground in Siberia in 1947. This is the sort of material that can actually land on the surface of the Earth. Now, whether or not you get a meteorite out of the Perseid meteor shower tonight, we don't know. It's the luck of the draw. But the moment you have an increased amount of activity in the night sky, as far as shooting stars is concerned, the chances of meteorites getting to the ground and you and I picking them up, and therefore astronomers and scientists having the chance to hold it and analyze it. I mean, this is a piece of the solar system that formed 4.5 billion years ago. This is the holy grail. This is what you want to be able to find during a meteor shower, to find a meteorite.
And it's possible. I love that.
That's exactly right.
Okay, tips for people. What do they need to do? You
need to be fully dark adapted. So go out, find yourself a nice, safe, dark environment. It's going to be cold because you're going to be out there for an hour or two.
Sure.
So get a blanket, thermos flask of something warm, but basically get yourself fully dark adapted. So don't look at a street light. Make sure your porch light is off. Be outside for at least 15-20 minutes before you start observing the northeast sky. You want to have as clear a northeast to zenith sky as you can possibly get, and be out there for about an hour or so.
And it'll be an incredible show.
It will be.
Paul Delaney, thank you for coming in.